Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today, I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can set a stop loss on your trading or investments. To do so, first of all, log in into your Etoro account like I already did. And after logging in, you'll be on the home page. From here, simply go on to discover or search for the stocks or crypto that you want to set the stop loss on while buying. Here, if I go on to stocks option, here after going on to discovery, you'll see that all the stocks that you can invest on. Let's say you click on any kind of stocks that you're invested in or interested in. To invest in it, you simply need to click on the trade option. After clicking on the trade option, you can see that a pop-up will begin to appear. From here, you can see a option for stop loss. If you simply click on the stop loss, you will be able to set up a stop loss. Put in the amount and simply click on set, and the stop loss will be set on your trade. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.